how I'm able to continue to develop this art. It's so important you guys taking the time to come up here. Thank you. Cash tips go through the golden ring down here. Venmo and PayPal links are right over here. Seriously, you guys watch the finale. It's totally up to you to decide what you're going to give. I'll tell you, if you care about what you're seeing, please think about tipping bigger. You guys, 5s, 10s, 20s. We have an ATM right next to CVS down here. So you can afford 120, why not 2 or 3? You guys you have a very significant impact on the future of the art you're seeing. Thank you guys very much. Just a big round of applause, yo. Yeah, this is the biggest cheer I got all show. Looking very optimistic about this. Thanks for the head start, pal. You guys come up and tip at any time. Thank you very